Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Monday. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Today, you are going to do your phonics. You are going to do phonics. Oh, Chameleon Y. Remember that one? We're going to start on the geography of Greece. Okay, so we're going to social studies. We're going to back off. Now that means we're still going to do some reading and things in it, but we're going to focus more on the social studies part versus just the literacy part. All right, we're still doing the word studies. There we go. Maps. We're going to study some maps. How fun is that? Okay, but this is the area we've been talking about in Greece. All right. There's words. Let's take apart. Miss Ellis is going to teach us about ancient. I think it's Miss Ellis. All right. Then we're going to write a sentence. You know how we did. All right. Then we're going to get to, there's a video of Miss Malloy with a video of Miss Malloy. Hot dog. All right. Here, when we get here, you are going to watch this. I'm going to talk to you about your paragraphs. Guys, everybody got it redirected. Everybody, I took off the slide that was on this assignment. I took off the edge elastic that was on this assignment that was supposed to go with this new, geography stuff. Took it off. We're going to go back and we're going to talk about our paragraph. I don't want us to just spend one day on that. You know me better than that. Okay. Watch this video. Listen to what I'm telling you and then go back. Now, your next slide, this edge elastic will take you to Friday's paragraph. Okay? So, Friday's paragraph will be there. Whatever you wrote will be on there. Okay? It should have what you put on there. Shouldn't be cleared off. Because it should be on there. And I want you to think about this painted paragraph. Guys, it was on our wall. Remember, each line should be a different sentence. Remember, this was just now. That doesn't mean we number our sentences. No, we turn this into a paragraph where our sentences all go together. But every one of these is a sentence with punctuation at the end that starts with a capital letter, all right? I said in this video, guys, you are 3 to 4 weeks from being a fifth grader. You are a fourth grader. You're about to be a fifth grader. We got to up the game here, and it's not a 2-second job going to get done with this and get on reflex math or reading games. There's time for that. But not now. You need to show me what you can do for writing. Okay, we're looking at where everybody stands right now. I need to see some good writing. Okie dokie? All right, and that's it. That is it. You are watching a little bit of, you've got your phonics, word study. You're watching a video, going to answer some true-false questions. You're going to look at a map and answer some questions. You're going to write about the word of the day, and then you're going to go back and edit the paragraph from Friday, okay? And then submit it again. Okie dokie? All right, guys. Just back to the right first page. Over here. All right, guys. I love you, and I cannot wait to read your paragraphs. Bye.